Okay, student, welcome back. This is Mr. Velez here. So we're in part 2 on aQWERTYon. So you're gonna go to Google, you're gonna type my website, Mr.Velez Virtual Music. You're gonna click there. It's gonna take you to my website. Then from my website, go to Music Tech, choose aQWERTYon. It's gonna take you here. Remember to see the tutorials. And this is number 2, that was number 1. So we were playing those two songs, well, the same song that is right here, basic. So now we're gonna go to any of these songs. You can play 10 songs with this chorus. Now the order, the same chorus, same note. A minor is A, C, E, F is F, A, C, C is C, E, G, G is G, B, D, the notes for the chord, but in different order. This time will be C first, G second, A minor, and F. So click this video. I'm gonna do the example of Moana first, which is in 350, and then I have it right here ready to go. I went here to 350, and then you have the video, and then you can play, and it's in the key of C, so you don't have to set it up. So I'm gonna first do it with my left hand. I prefer to do it with my left hand. So I need C chord, which is the letter C, A, Q. Then I need my G chord, which is the letter B, G, and T. My left hand. So I'm not playing with two hands. I'm playing with one hand. Right now, left hand. Then the next chord is A minor, is A, C, E. The same shape, see? And then the last chord will be F, which is the letter V, F, R. There you have it. I have here the 4 chords in this order. So it's going to be, the song will be in that order all the time. That's my left hand. If you want to do it with your right hand, then you have to skip one note. If you do it with your right hand, see, skip every other note. C, E, G. Then I'm going to do G. Oh, there's another G here. There's an A here. There's an F here. So I like this one because it's close. G here, A here, and then F here. So let's play it. I'm gonna do it with my left hand.
I've been staring at the edge of the water as long as I can remember, never really knowing why.
Let's start again.
I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water no matter how hard I try.
That's F, see?
Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know, where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea.
Oh, you can do now arpeggio. So arpeggio, you can go one by one, which is pretty cool. Just practice, then you can put the video. So let's do now with the same chord. Let it go, and I'm gonna do the arpeggio. This is a little faster, but that's okay. See?
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go.
Oh, you can do it with your right. Then I'm gonna go to G. I'm gonna go to A. I'm gonna go to F. And there you have it. So choose whatever is best for you, right hand or left hand. You have 10 songs to go over and check it out. It's the same progression, C first, G, A minor, and F. Click here and you will be ready to go. Hope this was helpful. Please give it a like and see you next time in part 3. Thank you.